another video. Centered or nothing. Just excited about my sawdust collector. Alright. 7.5. This one can't be 7.5. Whoa, that one's 7.5. Probably close enough for what I'm going to do. I'm just going to saw this 7/8 inch live edge board and bat. That's all I'm going to do. Better set our diesel drip. One drip that's about every second. One drip every 2 seconds. We better set our 1 inch. And that'll give us 7/8 inch board and bat, right? And we better get our glasses on. Oh, because there's not going to be any sawdust. We may not need glasses, right? Coming out of there pretty good. Now we're going to do, I just got done showing you my live edge, reverse live edge board and bat. Way of doing board and bat. Maybe a lazy man's board and bat. Maybe I don't know, a sawmiller's board and bat. Only a sawmiller would do that. What I've been doing is just, over like I don't know, whenever I can, I'll take the cap cut off of here, off these logs, and then the very next cut I'll take will be a 7/8 inch board right off here. I'll take a 7/8 inch board off here if I don't get the width that I want, or if I don't get what I want out of the cap cut. The way my cap cut is not too heavy, it'll burn as firewood, and my next cut, which is going to have the tendency to cup, my next cut I won't sell it as sellable lumber. I'll put it in my pile and use it for this reverse board and bat project that I got. But today I'm just going to sell this whole log as live edge, 7/8 inch, and use it for board and bat. I just got done with the sawdust video, collection video, so I was pretty excited about that. Decided to do that first. But I'm going to turn this over, take another skinny cap cut off here, get rid of those cap cuts, put them on a sawmill or on a firewood pile, and then we'll just take this down 7/8 of an inch at a time and slap it up on the barn. I mean, this can go right directly to the barn. I'm going to put it up green. All that other stuff is, some of that other stuff has dried for maybe a year and a half, 2 years maybe. When I first started sawing it up, when I first came up with this idea. And I've just been stacking it up ever since, and I undid the stack the other day and cut it all to length and put it up on the barn. But now I'm going to finish that. I want to finish that barn before winter. I've been trying to finish it before winter for a long time now. So I tried to finish it before last winter. But I always get in these little, wouldn't it be cool to have a sawdust collector? I always get into those little projects, wouldn't it be cool to have a wagon train, a yard sale on your wagon train and pull 6 wagons around your yard? That would be cool. So I go do that. Wouldn't it be cool to have a deck? So I go build a back deck. So there's a lot of other cool projects. And then, Joe calls me and wants a walnut tree cut up here, and Farmer Brown calls me and wants some 2x6s out of his fence line trees, and I've got to cut firewood. So everything just keeps, and then I got trailer decking to cut. It just all keeps adding up, and you don't ever get time to finish your lean-to. And now it's been 2 winters, setting out for 2 winters, and I need to get to it, and I want to get it done. So normally I would just keep waiting on more of these cap cuts off these red oaks until I had enough to finish it out, but I want to get it done before winter. I don't want snow blowing in there on my stuff anymore. So we're going to finish this before winter. Workout Red Oak Day at the gym. Like and subscribe, and we'll get some more videos put out and some more red oak cut up, and I'll show you what the workout for tomorrow is going to be. Well, maybe not tomorrow. So after you work your red oak, you really should take a rest day before you can't just keep working out every day at the gym. Got to have a rest day. And usually I take my rest day after red oak. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's go. It's still a gym workout. We're at the gym and it's a workout. Anybody like that angle? I can see that new fancy $1 sawdust collector I got over here. This 10 foot of this tube, from there to there, 10 foot of that tube costs more than a blower, 1/2 horsepower dust collector. And it's sad. And a dryer vent we just had laying around. Right now we're doing 7/8 inch board and bat. All right, let's see if we can turn this over. I know it's got a big limb in there. I don't know if it'll go. See that limb's down at your end, see it? Oh yeah, it's coming up. I gotta take off the center. I think that's what I'll do. Should make sense. Because see, I don't care if it's square. I don't care if this is square. I don't need it square. But it's barely want to take cap cut off this, so this end I'm not going to hit anything. I want to hit something by the time I get to that dog. Not necessarily. Sawdust blower already. Forgot to turn it on. Perfect. Now when I turn this over, that will be perfect. That would be nice to roll, wouldn't it? And it will. Now I'll take this down to just where I'm hitting that cap cut I got. And then we'll start getting our 7/8 inch. Board and bat, 7/8 inch, red oak. It's nothing special. It's definitely still wet. You know, the outside of this, people think that the outside of this is just going to be dry, but that's wet. That's wet, 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 wet. I've got to go a little faster or sharpen that blade or something. Probably sharpen that blade. I probably ought to sharpen this blade because she's not cutting as fast as I want it to. It's not bad, it's just not ready. But now we're going to flip this log. We'll be able to lock this side down against these dogs, the little dogs. Finish this log out real quick and hopefully see if my sawdust plate can work. If I was trying to get this exact, I take a skimming cut right now, but I am not worried about it. This is strictly my personal use 7/8 inch board and bat. I have no intention of, like the bottom one's going to be 1 inch. I have no intention of wasting that just because it's 1 inch. I'll put a 1 inch board up there. I don't really care. hose is empty. And that hose is empty. So maybe we'll get her working. But not ideal. But I got what, 3 over there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of 7/8 live edge board and bat. Some of these won't be live edge, these 3 in here, I'll put them on the back. It's perfect, it works out perfect for live edge. So this time tomorrow, maybe I'll have 7 more pieces up. What are they? Almost a foot a piece. So it's 1, 2, 3, 7. So you think it'd be 7 more feet, but you got to overlap them. So 6, 5, 4 more feet. 4 or 5 more feet onto the barn, and we're ready to go.